Hello everyone, I am Adarsh, lecturing Vidyashram PU College, the Temple of Excellence. My topic is cash flow statement. In the previous session, we discussed about what is cash, what is flow, as well as what is statement. Under cash flow statement, we have three subcategories. Means for calculation purpose, we have three kinds of activities. Which are those activities? First one will be operating activity, financing, as well as your investing activity. Which are those activity? Operating, financing, and investing activity. In today's session, we will do some problems on operating activity. Before that, I'll go with the format. Later, we'll solve one problem. There is a format to calculate operating activity. Simple, so easy to score 6 marks. From this topic, you will get 6-mark question. Now, this will be your format, particular amount. Now, first one will be your net income. First one will be your net income. Whatever net income given as per your problem, you have to consider net profit before taxation, net profit before interest and tax, or net profit after taxation. Whatever profit given, we have to mention. Now, few things we should add and few things we have to subtract or minus. Which are the things we should add? If you know this format, easy to solve any problems. Now, which are the things? First one will be depreciation. Depreciation on assets should be added. Then loss on sale of assets. Loss on sale of assets. The third one, decrease in current asset. Decrease in current asset. What do you mean by decrease in current asset? Decrease in current asset means, for example, your current asset 5,000 last year. This year your current asset is 3,000. Now, it is increased or decreased. Last year it was 5,000. This year it is how much? 3,000. How much decreased? 2,000 decreased. This we call it as decrease in current asset. Now, increase in current liability. First, second, third, fourth. You have to remember 4 things which are should be added. Other than these things, everything should be deducted, minus. Now, which are the things? First one will be depreciation. Second one will be loss on sale of asset. Third one, decrease in current asset and increase in current liability. These things you have to remember. Which are the things we have to minus? Opposite of these things. Loss. Instead of loss, profit. Profit on sale of asset. We have to minus. Decrease in current asset. It must be increase in current asset. You have increase in current liability, reverse. Decrease in current liability. These are the things you have to subtract. Your format is very simple. You have to remember, first thing is what? Your net income. After that, which are the things you should add? Depreciation, loss on sale of asset, then decrease in current asset and increase in current liability. So, from this you have to add, you have to minus. Your final answer will be income from operating activity. Easy? Yes. Now, this will be your question, 6-mark question. This is already asked in your previous year question paper. So, whatever problems we are solving, that is your question paper problems only. Now, Anand Limited arrived. Net income. What is this net income? Net income is 5 lakh. As I told you, we'll go back to your format. Net income is how much? 5 lakh. Depreciation for the year. As I told you, as per the format. As per the format, depreciation means what? Add. Depreciation, we should add. Profit of 50,000 on assets sold. Again, go back to your format. Any profit on sale of asset. What? Any profit on sale of asset, we should minus. Why? Because loss plus. If it is profit, minus. Trade receivable increased. Trade receivable means what? Receivable means anything which is receivable, we call it as current asset. Current asset increased means what? Minus. Similarly, trade payable, anything which is payable, we call it as current liability. Increased means simple, we should add. So these are the calculation we have. While reading your question, you have to mention whether it is a add, whether it is a minus. You got your net income. Net income is how much? 5 lakh. Which are the things should be added now? Your depreciation should be added. Your trade payable also added. Profit on sale of asset and trade receivable should be minus. In a white sheet, write down the format. While reading question, keep your format along with your question so that while reading question, you can check in your format whether it should be add or it should be minus. How to identify current asset, current liability. Anything which is receivable is current asset. Anything which is payable, we call it as current liability. So, this will be your answer. As we discussed, net income before taxation. How much? It is 5 lakh. Now, adjustments. These are the adjustments given in your question paper or question. Depreciation, as I told you, add. Profit on sale of asset, minus. Increase in trade receivable, minus. Increase in trade payable, add. So these are the calculations, simple calculation. You will not get any extra adjustment in this. No further calculation, no formula, nothing. Just simple format. You should identify whether it should be added or whether it should be deducted. So these all we call it as operating activity. Now, from 5 lakh plus 2 is 7 lakh. From 7 lakh you should minus these 2. So after deducting these 2 you should add this one. What is your final answer? Your final answer is 6,70,000. This 6,70,000 we call it as cash inflow from operating activity. Why it is inflow? Why? Because your final answer is positive. If your final answer is negative, then it should be cash outflow from operating activity. Clear? So this is all about your operating activity. In the next session, we will solve 2 problems on operating activity. We'll take all the questions which from your past question paper so that in your examination it will be easy for you to solve all the problems. Why? Because if we consider your question paper problems, the same kind of problems you will get in your examination. Only the numbers will be changed and name will be changed. Thank you.